Hey mathematicians, let's take a look at today's math challenge.
Factoid. Guitars are string instruments. Most guitars have 6 strings.
Let's take a look.
Number sense. Count the numbers of guitars store A has. Write the number. Count the number of guitars store B has. Write the number. Circle the number that is less.
All right, let's take a look. It says count the number of guitars that store A has. Let's do that part first. Let me get a pencil. How about blue today? All right, here are the guitars that store A has. And here are the guitars that store B has. Let's count the guitars that store A has first. I'm going to mark them to make sure I don't leave any out. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I get all of them? I did. Store A has 9 guitars. Let's write the number. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a 9. All right, let's look at the next part of the directions. It says count the number of guitars store B has and write the number. Let's change my pencil color. We'll do green for store B. All right, I will mark and you count. 1, 2, 'How many guitars does store B have? I counted 7. Let's write the number. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. All right, store A has 9 guitars and store B has 7 guitars. The directions say circle the number that is less. Remember, less means not as many. Which store has fewer? That means the same as less. Which store has fewer guitars? Which number is less than the other? If you said 7 is less than 9, you are correct. Now, if you were not sure, let's talk about a strategy we could use to help us figure that out. I'm going to get some counters. There we go. Oh, and I'll use blue counters since I used a blue pencil to mark the guitars that store A had. I'm going to use 1 counter for every guitar that store A had. So watch this. 9 guitars, so 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to use green counters or green connecting cubes to represent the 7 guitars that store B had. And I'm going to line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Let me get my pencil again. Now, you can look at those cube trains and see which one is shorter than the other one. Can you see that this cube train is shorter than this cube train? That means this group has less. So I am going to circle the number 7 because it is less than the number 9. And that's what it says. Circle the number that is less. Another strategy that you could use would be to match them up 1 to 1. Watch this. 1 to 1 match, 1 to 1, a blue to a green, a blue to a green, and I will keep on going until I cannot make any more matches. There we go. Oh, I can see that the blue group has extras. This group has 2 more. The group that has extras is the group that has more. That must mean, again, that this group has less. Very good. I'll see you later for the next math challenge.